Have you ever stopped and questioned the very education system we've been raised to trust blindly? Since childhood, we've been told, get good grades, earn a degree, get a job, and life will be perfect. But is it? Does that degree, that GPA, that education give us true happiness, freedom, or purpose? Or have we become programmed machines in a system that only teaches us to obey, not to think? This video dives deep into the truth of the education trap. What it is, when it began, how it traps us, and more importantly, how you can break free from it. Historical background. In the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution reshaped the world. Factories needed workers who were punctual, obedient, silent, consistent in repetitive tasks. So a system of education was created to train factory-like minds. As Quartz highlights, modern schooling was not created to foster thinking. It was designed to produce obedient factory workers. The factory model of schools. Schools were literally modeled after factories. Bells ring. Students' lineup periods change. Students move in silence. Teachers come. Students listen without questioning. As Wikipedia notes, the factory model turns raw material, children, into uniform products that fit the needs of industrial society. The death of independent thought. True education should teach you how to think, question, and create. But in today's system, rote learning is rewarded, questioning is punished, creativity is suppressed. According to the Financial Times, today's graduates struggle with basic decision-making and initiative because they were trained only to follow orders, not to lead. Is education a path to freedom or slavery? Education was once meant to liberate minds. Now it molds them. You're not allowed to choose what you truly love. You're told there is only one formula for success. If you deviate, you're a failure. According to Public Seminar, modern reforms have actually increased inequality, not solved it. The solution and motivation. Know yourself. Ask yourself, what makes me feel alive? What would I do even if no one paid me? What excites me to get out of bed? Learn new skills. In the digital age, you have unlimited access to knowledge, coding, graphic design, freelancing, content creation. Learn these skills. You don't need permission anymore. The gatekeepers are gone. Redefine success. Success is not just about landing a job. It's about fulfilling your purpose, living life on your terms, creating value for others. If you feel stuck in this trap, you are not alone, but you must make a move. Start learning on your own. Explore your passions. Build your own path. Education was meant to free us, but today, it's become a silent prison, one that looks respectable, but drains your creativity, courage, and critical thinking. Break free, reclaim your mind, rediscover your purpose. If you agree with this video, drop a comment below. I'm free from the education trap.